Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing the exact strings you will translate. Open the assets/minecraft/lang folder and load in us. JSON or the lang file. Make a backup copy so you can revert if needed. Once done, pick the target language code and create a new file named accordingly. Then extract only the lines you need, UI, items, blocks, or chat, so you avoid translating irrelevant keys and reduce errors during import. Next, you feed the extracted strings to Google Translate, but do it in a controlled way. Group short UI lines together and never include keys or placeholders in the text you send. Make sure placeholders like %s or formatting codes such as section and \n are preserved. Replace them with placeholders if the translator alters them, and then put them back. Also, check plural forms and context-sensitive phrases by translating short batches and comparing meaning so game grammar remains natural. Finally, paste translations back into the language file, keeping each key unchanged and only replacing the value. Save the file in UTF-8 and pack it into a resource pack, then enable that pack and switch Minecraft to the target language to test UI, tooltips, and chat. If something breaks, make sure placeholders and color codes are intact and that encoding or line endings didn't change. One key troubleshooting tip is to search for missing % or section signs, which commonly cause display errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.